This fabric is reversible. Because it's reversible, it doesn't matter which side I open the buttonholes on. But if you are working on a specific pattern that has a clear right side, make sure you place the buttonholes on the right front panel. Now I'm at the last 7 stitches and I want to make the buttonhole. I knit the first 2 stitches. Then I decrease by passing the second stitch over the third stitch. Okay. Now I knit the next stitch and again pass the previous stitch over it to bind it off. In total, I bound off 2 stitches and remaining is 4. Here again, I bring the yarn to the front, slip the last 2 stitches to the right needle. Then I knit those 2 stitches together. After that, I make a yarn over and knit the remaining 2 stitches. When I reach the gap where I bind off 2 stitches, I need to cast those 2 stitches back on. I wrap the yarn twice around my finger like this. Then I lift the bottom strand under the top strand to form a loop. It creates a small knot-like stitch. I tighten it gently and that's 1 stitch cast on. This is the way you cast on stitches in the middle of the row when the yarn is already attached. Okay, so I have added back the 2 stitches that I decreased. Then I continue knitting, knit 1 stitch. And if I count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this last stitch is my purl stitch, belongs to the pattern I worked.